Hey guys, my name's Chris and I'm back again with another video for the UWL YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be talking to you about how to make new friends at university, and as well, if you wait right till the end, I'll give you tips and tricks on how to approach new people for the very first time. So sit back, relax and enjoy. So the first one is probably the most simple one, it's join societies. So at UWL they have a lot of different societies, ranging from the football to the book to kind of any society you'd want to join. There's an option there to join. This is a really great way to meet friends, and a lot of my friends at uni have met friends this way. So if you like football, there's a football one, it's just as easy as that. So you can start off by going down for a few training sessions, then maybe going to the socials and all this, then you've got match days. It's just a great time all round, and it's a really good opportunity to meet new people, especially when you just first start out at university. So this is a good one for people that live in maybe student accommodation or a flat or a house with strangers. So it's to get to know these people. These people will be the people you're living with for the next year. So it's a good idea to get to know them early and just see what they're like. So a little trick for this is to leave the door open. So when I first moved in, I'd use my skateboard to cram the door open, just so people could see who I was. So I didn't feel like I was shutting anyone out. Or if I went to the shops, I'd knock on doors and be like, oh, do you want anything from the shops? Or I'd invite them to join with me. It's just a great way to get to know people, and the best way if you live in a house or a flat is a big IKEA trip. Go with your flatmates, they'll love it, you'll love it, and a great way to meet new people. So the third way to get to know new people at university and make new friends is first lesson in your new class, go around a piece of paper or just pass it around and get everyone to write maybe their Instagrams, their phone numbers, or maybe their Snapchats, just to make a class group chat really, so you can talk to each other, really get to know each other on a more personal level essentially. This is what my friends and I have done, and we're a very close-knit group of friends ever since. And if we didn't do that, who knows, we may have not become friends as quick as we had. So this is a great way, especially in your class, to get to know new people and make new friends. So number 4 is the students' events that the university hold. So they hold a wide variety of events, from the balls to student uni events, to the freshers fairs, all these kind of things. It's a great opportunity to get to know new people, especially when you just first start out. Or even then, the people there are super welcoming, especially on the student union. So it's a great way, meet new people, have a good time, and just see what the whole university is about. So the final one's not centred around universities or rest. So these are Facebook and Instagram groups. So London is the biggest city in the UK, and it's not for no reason. There's so many different people in the city which you can meet or learn from. So usually when you move into a student accommodation or a flat or a street or a house or whatever, there'll usually be a group chat for the area. So this is a great way to meet new people, whether it be a house party, an event, someone just wants a buddy to go to the shops with. This is where people put their stuff, and you can really take the opportunity to really meet new people. And that's what we're all here for at the end of the day, to meet new people, have a good time. Got to remember at the end of the day that everyone is in the exact same position as you are. Everyone's nervous, everyone wants to make friends. No one wants to be alone at university. So you've kind of got to look at other people's fear and think, I'm scared, they're scared, see what happens. That's how you got to do it, that's the way I do it, and it's worked best for me. Alright, so if you've waited till the end, here are the 3 little tips I'll give you. So the first one that I always do when I get nervous or want to meet new people, I'll stand there, I'll turn around, close my eyes, take a big deep breath, and just walk before I've even exhaled. Because then by the time I've exhaled, I've moved with it, and I'm in the motion now. And I'm stood there, and that's when it hits what I'm doing. Obviously this won't work for everyone, but for me it works perfectly. And it really gets me out of my comfort zone a lot, whether it be the friends, new people, or just an event that I'm nervous to go to. Alright, so the second trick is one I mentioned earlier. Just think everyone is in the exact same position you are. Whether they've got friends from back home, whether they've got no one, whether they're from a different country. Everyone is extremely nervous and in a sense vulnerable when they go to university. You've got to look at this as a strength, because when you're most vulnerable, you're most open to change. So to meet new people, make new friends, and they're in the exact same position you are. So you've got literally nothing to lose. Final little tip or trick is screw what anyone thinks. Just be the most honest person you are to yourself, and it'll all work out. Even if you meet people at first who don't really fit your vibe, just keep looking, because you'll find the people that are perfect for you. I found my people, took me a bit longer than I thought it would, But I'm so grateful now. But trust me, from me to you, you will make friends at university. It's an extremely daunting experience. I can fully understand that. It was for me as well. But you will make friends, and they will be friends for a lifetime. You'll have a great time at university and look back at it in 10, 20 years with all the life skills you've learned from meeting new people, all these other things, and think, wow, that was a really good experience. I'm glad that I met these people. But yeah, guys, that's the end of my tips and tricks and advice and all this. So I hope you have a really good time at university, make lots of new friends, and hopefully I'll see you around. Peace.